You scream, I scream, we all scream for frozen yogurt. Hello world! National Frozen Yogurt Day this year is the 6th of February 2020, with One Shot front and center spearheading the global celebration. Think of us as the Keurig or Nespresso of frozen yogurt machines, and our machines require no sanitizing. Now hold on, you have a great tasting range of products served from a machine that requires no sanitizing. Plus, you get an incredibly fast payback with inexpensive machines and extremely low operating costs. Our mission is to liberate the world from the soft-serve machine sanitizing process. So, as you can see with us fast approaching 2 billion portions consumed globally, we're doing a good job replacing soft-serve machines in various global locations. Massive market share gains and huge unexpected orders are being rolled out this year. You scream, I scream, we all scream for frozen yogurt. The One Shot pod dispensing system has got your back with great machines with amazing frozen yogurt products. We're here to serve you with an exciting sanitizing-free lifestyle.